A very good morning, friends. Welcome to a morning tour of my garden. Here I will show you some bonsai plants which we have made ourselves in our house. So this is a peepal tree or a ashwatha plant just grown in a flat pot, porcelain pot. So this plant originally grew by itself on some of the old walls of my house, and then I picked it up and planted it in a flat pot with drainage holes in it. And this is a fig plant or a bot banyan tree. So this plant is almost 60 years old. You can see from the thick trunk. So this plant was originally used as a twig in the last rites of my grandmother. So since then it has been growing in our house like a bonsai in flat pot. And this is a neem bonsai, a neem plant which originally grew by itself through the excreta of some birds. The seed was propagated like that, and then we planted it in a flat pot. This is a custard apple plant, also growing as a bonsai. So recently these plants have been pruned and green young leaves have emerged, and this plant has also been pruned, this old banyan tree, and new leaves will be coming soon. So always prune your bonsai plants often and it will grow more bushy. So the art of making bonsai is not so difficult. Here is another adenium plant also being grown as a bonsai. So the container should be flat, and here I placed the plant in such a way that the cortex or the trunk is way above the soil, and also there is a passage between the two parts of the cortex. So this gives a bonsai like look. And I also trained the roots like that. So I pulled the top roots and buried them in topsoil superficially like this to give a more bonsai look. And the flowers are very nice, stays for a long period, almost 1 week now. Still fresh, no sign of withering. This is a bonsai of an orange plant. So you can see the flowers, and lots of fruits are coming. Always the whole year round this plant is giving fruits. And still more fruits will be coming. I will give an updated video on this. A lot of flowers are coming. So these fruits are not so sweet in this weather, warm climate, but still gives a good smell of oranges and can be used for making sweets of orange flavors and to make card. So this is our orange bonsai. It's growing in some flat kind of pot. This is also the time for this jasmine flowers, summer. It gives very good smell. And these plants are also very old, stayed in our house for decades, and they don't die. Just we prune it several times a year before flowering, and it blooms all the year round. We just give mustard oil, cake, soaked water, and the fertilizer which I showed you in other video, organic homemade fertilizer, and it keeps on blooming in its season. It's summer, but still some winter flowers like aster also keeps on blooming. Maybe the conditions are good and it gets good sunlight. This is the eastern part of the house, and we can also see some anthurium flowers still blooming, though it is not the season. It's a winter flower. So this is also the time for summer lilies. Its bulbs are buried inside the soil, and we don't know the existence entire year. But as summer comes, these sticks of buds and flowers come up on its own and starts blooming. It's a very common lily, but it's so nice and beautiful. We have some more lilies coming up elsewhere in my garden. So this is a very hardy plant, no need to take care much. Just keep the bulbs, it's like onions, lilium bulbs, planted in soil entire year, and just keep on watering a little bit, and in summer it will automatically bloom. In another place also, these lilies are cropping up. So this is a kamini plant, and the bulb might have got inside, so it is getting flowering inside the bush.